Problems from exercise 1.1 only. And why there are so many less people? Where are others? Only 6 students are there, I think. Okay, so I'll start. Second problem from exercise. Students, I am giving this number according to me, first problem, second problem, but from exercise I am taking random problems. Okay, so Priya gets a salary of rupees 15,000 per month and commission at 8%. Write this problem with me only. 8% on the sales over rupees 50,000 if she gets rupees 17,400 in a certain month. Find the sales made by her in that month. So, what is the problem? Priya gets salary of 15,000 rupees per month and commission at 8% on the sales over rupees 50,000. So, if she gets 17,400 in a certain month, find the sales made by her in that month. So, we'll write first given things. Priya get 8% commission on sales over rupees 50,000. Sales over rupees 50,000. Let total sales in month, in that particular month we will consider total sales will be in that month will be X. So sales over rupees 50,000 is equal to total sales minus rupees 50,000. And now we are considering that total sales as X, so minus 50,000. So this is, so here Priya gets 8% commission when on sales over rupees 50,000, and here total sales is X rupees, and we are considering total sales because we don't know her total sales in that particular month, and we have to find out that total sales only. So we are considering it as X rupees, and next is sales over rupees 50,000 will be total sales minus rupees 50,000, and we are considering that total sales as X rupees. So X minus 50,000. Okay. So next is sales over rupees 50,000 is equal to total sales over rupees 50,000 into 8%. Why? Because she will get 8% commission on sales over rupees 50,000. Therefore, sales over 50,000 will be total sales over rupees 50,000 into 8%. Now, total sales over 50,000 is x minus 50,000 into 8%. 8% means 8 upon 100. Okay. So, Priya's income in particular month is equal to salary plus commission sales over rupees 50,000. Now this is given. Priya's income in particular month is given. So what is that her income in that month? 17,400. Next, salary is 15,000 plus x minus 50,000. This commission or sales over rupees 50,000 is this x minus 50,000 into 8 upon 100. So now just you have to do the calculations. 17,400 is equal to, now we will take LCM. LCM will be 100. So here plus sign is in between these two terms. So here we have to multiply this 15,000 by 100. So we just have to increase two zeros. X minus 50,000. Here I have taken LCM into 8. Okay. Complete this much and then I will rub this part and if you have any doubt in this, any step, tell me. Done with this? So here 17,400 into is equal to 50 lakh plus, we will multiply here we will multiply this whole bracket by 8. Okay, so 8x minus 40,000. 8 5s are 40 na, 40,000. No, it will be one more zero. It will. Sorry, 4 lakh. Divided by 100. Okay. So 17,400 into this 100 is equal to 15 lakh minus 4 lakh. It will be 11 lakh plus 8x. Now you have to do the multiplication, or just you can do like this also. So this came. So here 7. You can divide this. 11 ones are 11, or 174 divided by 110 is equal to 8x. What will happen next? Just a second. Sorry. It is a mistake. Sorry. 17 minus 11 lakh is equal to 8x. So this will be 6,40,000 is equal to 8x. So x is equal to what? 6,40,000 upon 8. So it will be 6 8s are. So this will be 80,000. So x is equal to 80,000. So Priya's sell during that particular month is rupees 80,000. Okay, complete this problem. Any doubt in this step? If you have any doubt, just unmute your mic and ask. Yes, in the next lecture we will take fourth problem. Okay, next lecture I will take. Definitely I will take fourth problem in next lecture. Or I will send in today's PDF, because in last lecture, in last PDF also there was one extra problem, that was second one. So go through that PDFs also. Okay, done with this. Someone unmute your mic and tell me. Students, are you there or not? Next problem. Deepak's salary was increased from rupees 4,000 to rupees 5,000, the shares being the same, due to reduction in the rate of commission from 3% to 2%, his income remained unchanged find his sales. Okay, so what is given? Deepak's salary increased from 4,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees and the sales being the same due to reduction in the rate of commission from 3% to 2%. His income remained unchanged. We have to find his sales. Okay, so we'll start with the solution. Let Deepak's sales during particular month be X rupees. Here income of Deepak is equal to salary plus commission on the sales. So here we are considering Deepak's sales during particular month be X rupees. Income of income of Deepak is equal to salary plus commission on sales. So his salary is so we'll write next. Now his original salary is equal to 4,000 rupees and original commission is, we know that his salary increased from 4,000 to 5,000 and original commission is also 3%. Commission is 3%. So income is equal to 4,000 plus 3% of sales. 4,000 plus 3% of sales. Now 4,000 plus sales are, we are considering that sales during that particular month be X rupees. So 3%, that means 3 upon 100 into X. Say 3% of X means 3 upon 100 into X. Okay, we'll keep it as it is or call this as equation 1. Okay, next, increase salary B rupees 5,000. His salary is increased from 4,000 to 5,000 and his commission is decreased from 3% to 2%. decreased commission be 2%. So here income is equal, in this case income will be 5,000 plus 2% of sales. So 5,000 plus 2% of sales means 2% of X, because we are considering that sales as X. So 2 upon 100 into X means this 2X upon 100. Call this as equation 2. Okay. So complete this part till here. Okay. Complete this much part. So income of Deepak, we have used this formula, salary plus commission on the sales. So we have that formulated it as original salary and then its increased salary in that two equation. Done with this part. Okay, so one more thing is given, his income remains unchanged. So his salary is increasing, his commission is decreasing, but in this in this process his income is remaining unchanged. Okay. Income of Deepak remains unchanged. Okay, income of Deepak remains unchanged. Therefore, equation 1 is equal to equation 2 because his income is remaining unchanged in all that processes. So, equation 1 is 4,000 plus 3x upon 100 is equal to 5,000 plus 2x upon 100. Okay, so here what we will do, 4,000 minus 5,000 is equal to 2x upon 100 minus 3x upon 100. So this will be minus 1,000 and this will be 2x minus 3x upon 100. So minus 1,000 is equal to minus x upon 100. This minus will be plus. So 1,000 into 100. This minus will be plus. Okay, x. So this will be 1 lakh is equal to x. So Deepak's income during that, or Deepak sales, this last step carries separate 1 mark. Okay, Deepak's sales during that particular month be 1 lakh rupees 1 lakh. Okay, complete this problem, students. And students, try to join little earlier, at least by 9:35. I will tell Yashida ma'am and Neetu ma'am also. Because we started today at almost 9:38 and it was 8 minutes late, and again we have to do that same thing with our lecture only. Done with this part? Okay, that's all for today. I will send fourth problem in the PDF in today only, in some time on group, and also today's recorded lecture. Okay, and if you have any doubts, students, you can message me personally. Okay, and start doing study and start solving solved problems. Solved examples are also important. Okay, and first two chapters are like this only. We have to deal with the word problems only. So and after that there are some different chapters. So first two chapters are like this. So just try to understand what is given in that word problems and what we have to find out. Okay, thank you students.